how to chat with buyers on FeetFinder and keep everything smooth? Well, stay tuned as we break down the do's and don'ts to keep your sales going strong. Hey everyone, today's hot topic is navigating communication on FeetFinder. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your approach, I've got the essential do's and don'ts that will help you engage like a pro and keep your buyers coming back for more. Ready to make your interactions as impressive as your feet pics? Well then let's dive in. The importance of first impressions. First impressions are crucial, especially on FeetFinder. The way you handle that first message can really influence the potential transaction. It's important to start with a warm and professional greeting to create a welcoming tone right off the bat. Make an effort to personalize your response, indicating that you carefully read and understood their initial request, because that's really what we want, right? To be read and understood. A sample response might be, "Hi there, thanks for reaching out. I saw you're interested in the Summer Beach series. I'm thrilled you like them. Let me know if there's a specific style you're looking for or any other details that you need." This approach not only shows professionalism, but also helps build trust and rapport right from the very beginning. It's perfect. By focusing on making this first interaction count, you've set yourself up for a more successful and smooth transaction process. The art of description. Next, let's focus on the art of describing your content, and it is art. See, when listing your feed pics, it's essential to paint a clear and enticing picture for your potential buyers. Be detailed and specific in your descriptions, highlight unique aspects like specific poses, the setting, or any accessories featured in the photos. So for instance, a sample description could read like, "A close-up view of my feet, donned in silver toe rings, resting on soft, mossy ground with sunlight filtering through the leaves above." See, by offering these details, you help buyers visualize exactly what they're purchasing. Clear, descriptive listings not only attract more interest, but also build trust by setting accurate expectations for buyers, ensuring they know exactly what they're purchasing. Respect privacy and boundaries. Now, turning our attention to privacy and boundaries, it's key to protect both yours and your buyer's personal details. Avoid oversharing personal information and always stay within the comfort zone of what's discussed. If a buyer asks you for something you're not comfortable with, it's okay to say no respectfully. Clear boundaries keep things smooth and professional. Follow-up and feedback. Don't underestimate the power of follow-up and feedback. After a transaction, a simple thank you message can go a long way and open the door for future sales. Also, encourage buyers to leave feedback on your profile. Positive reviews can boost your credibility and attract more buyers, which is pretty nice. To wrap it up, effective communication on FeetFinder not only helps you sell more, but also builds lasting buyer relationships. Remember, every message is an opportunity to reinforce your brand and ensure satisfaction. Stick to these guidelines, and you'll see just how much smooth communication fuels your success. Ready to take your FeetFinder game to the next level? Hit that register link, get verified, and start using these tips today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content, and check out our blogs for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and keep those sales stepping up.